Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to see what someone else likes on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, click on this person's Instagram profile. Select following to see all of the profiles they are following in. Click a profile they are following in. View the profile post likes to see if the person liked any of them. Note, a person can hide their activity and make it impossible to see what they do. By turning off the show activity status in settings, they can keep everyone from tracking their actions. In closing, you may not have the option to view other people's Instagram likes from within the app, but you do have access to their followers and can see what they liked. So if this video helped you, and give a thumbs up, and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.